In Wagarashi, getting weapons can help you deal more damage and get more reach with your basic attacks as well. There are multiple ways you can get weapons in Wagarashi. The easiest method is to find an NPC in the village that sells weapons and equipment. Every weapon has a different cost. Stronger weapons will be more expensive. If you find something that you like, make sure that you purchase it or the shop will reset. Alternatively, if you don't have the money to buy weapons, you can complete missions and hope for loot drops. Depending on the mission you complete, you'll get a loot scroll. This will allow you to get random loot that might or might not be useful. Now, as you start to level up and get stronger, it's worth thinking about purchasing a weapon to help in your gameplay. You can speak to the village seller NPC, who is located near all village entrances, to purchase weapons. If you're in the early stages of gameplay, the kunai is a great option as it only costs 357 and does decent damage. Once you move on to the early mid stages and you've familiarized yourself with gameplay more, I recommend the katana. It deals more damage and costs 500. The late game weapons tend to be those you cannot purchase and are dropped by bosses. Although hard to come by, they're worth the grind. I hope you found it useful.